In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversations in Google Chat. Whether you're using the standalone app by heading to chatgoogle.com or accessing it through Gmail, clearing old chats can help you stay organized and keep things tidy. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in to your Google account. If you prefer to use Google Chat outside of Gmail, open your browser and go to chat.google.com. Otherwise, you can find Google Chat integrated within Gmail, usually appearing on the left-hand side of the interface. This flexibility allows you to choose the setup that best suits your workflow. Now that you're ready, let's move to the important step of locating the conversation you wish to delete. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of all your recent chats and direct messages. Browse through this list and find the specific conversation you want to remove. This list is generally organized chronologically, making it easier to spot the more recent interactions at the top. Once you've identified the conversation, you'll need to open the More Options menu. To do this, simply hover your cursor over the chat or direct message. As you do this, you should notice three vertical dots, or the More Options icon, appear to the right of the chat name. This icon is discrete, so keep an eye on the right side as you're hovering. It can be easy to miss if you're not looking for it. Next, click on these three vertical dots. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to managing the conversation. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Delete. It's a straightforward choice intended for removing unnecessary chats and enabling you to keep only the essential conversations in view. After clicking Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This step is crucial as it ensures you don't accidentally delete any conversations you might still need. Review the confirmation message carefully to ensure you're about to delete the right chat. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and click Delete again to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a conversation from Google Chat. This process can be repeated whenever you need to clean up your chat list, helping maintain a more organized and efficient workspace. Remember though, once a conversation is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so be sure that you're ready to permanently remove it before confirming the deletion. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your use of Google Chat. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and guides. See you in the next one.